Okay, so the tools that you're going to need to do the self-install, you're going to need a tape measure. You'll want to use that to determine the height off the floor to keep the jack at the same level as your power outlets for aesthetic purposes. You're going to need a saw to cut out the piece of drywall where the wall jack's going to go. You'll need a screwdriver in order to attach the wall plates. Stud finder is going to be handy to make sure you're drilling in an empty wall cavity rather than drilling through a wall stud. You're going to need a drill. If you have stucco, stone, or brick walls, you're going to need a hammer drill. Most hammer drills have an emblem on them that kind of looks like a hammer. If you just have vinyl siding, wood siding, or something like that, you can just use a regular drill. 12 volt or higher is going to be recommended. And then you're going to need a drill bit. If you have standard or soft siding, such as the vinyl wood plank siding, you can just use a standard wood drill bit. If you're going to have the stone, stucco type walls, you're going to need a masonry drill bit in order to get through that. A standard drill bit will not go through the harder rocks, and it could potentially do damage to your wall if you try to use the wrong drill bit through stone or stucco.